Hi, Dwayne Chapdelaine here with Kalamazoo Mortgage. Tax season is upon us yet again, and many of us are going to be receiving our tax refund. And so the question that we've got to answer today is, what are we going to do with the tax refund that we are receiving? A lot of us spend our time thinking about our 401ks and where we're going to invest our money. Well, why not take the time to think about where we're going to invest this refund? Looking at purchasing a home is a perfect time when you're getting that tax refund. So what you need to do is contact a loan officer here at Kalamazoo Mortgage. You'll get a free analysis. We'll tell you what you're approved for, how much money you would need for a down payment. So in other words, we'll tell you what your tax refund can do for you to purchase a home, like how much of a home you could purchase with your tax refund. So this is a great time to contact a loan officer. Let us tell you all the details and the specifics behind purchasing a home, and we'll share with you how your tax refund can add value and help you to accomplish the dream of homeownership. So contact us today.